A warm welcome to all. Now we will see about the preparatory process in textile processing course. Okay. Now we will see about the process one by one. The first process is singeing. What is meant by singeing? Singeing means the material will be passed through the cylindrical rollers through the gas flame. Then it should contain high temperature. While passing with the accurate standard temperature speed, the protruding fibers will be burned. Then the fabric will be come out with a cleared surface. Singeing means that burning the protruding fibers and the impurities. The process is done to improve the and to enhance the surface of the quality of the fabric. And the next process is desizing. Desizing means the removal of the starch. What is the purpose of removing starch means to get accurate shades, colors, then designs in printing, then drapability to improve the drapability of the fabric. We have to do desizing. For this process, we have to boil the fabric with the water for a specific period of time, that means 20 minutes or 30 minutes. After boiling, the fabric will be taken out and then washed and then dried. For desizing, the starch materials, the excessive starch in the materials will be removed. Desizing is done for improving the quality of the fabric. And the next process is scouring. Scouring is done for improve the to remove the impurities. It is the material will be boiled with slight alkaline solution or slight detergents. While boiling, the impurities will be removed, and then the surface of the quality and the structure will get good surface while using for printing, then dyeing and all. Then the next process is bleaching. Bleaching, we have to remove the impurities, stains, and then we have to improve the color. Color is white. We are getting as a grey cloth like a light cream color. We have to bleach the material with using bleaching agents like sodium hypochlorite, then hydrogen sulfide gas. Like that, we have to use the bleaching substances. The bleaching agents will be added to the material quickly, and then it will be boiled for 5 to 10 minutes, or depending upon the quality of the material, whether it is a cotton or synthetic materials. Like that, we have to linen, like that we have to set the time. If it is a cotton means it will be boiled for more time. Then for the other materials, the time will be reduced. After boiling with the bleaching agents, the material will be taken out, then washed and then dried. We will be getting as a white material. While using this as a white, the prints will come out as clear, then the dyes, shades, then colors. In colors, we will have tints and shades. That means lights and dark colors of each shade, so that we will be getting a correct shade, accurate shade. For getting the orders and all in the industries, they will give us accurate shades for ordering the garments. Then for industrial purpose garments, uniforms, like that they will prefer a specific color, so that we have to give the material as accurate shade. Before starting itself, we have to check the color shade. For getting this effect in a better, we have to do this bleaching process. That means adding this chemical substances, and then it will be boiled and then washed. Then the next process is mercerization. Mercerization means to improve the luster of the fabric. The fabric will get a luster effect, that means shininess. While leaving as such, we have to improve the luster quality. Then only it will be getting the draping effect. So that we have to do this mesmerization. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.